I'm Jeff McElroy. I'm currently your Deputy District Attorney. I'm running for judge because it's time to elect a tough but compassionate, community-oriented prosecutor to the bench. Not since Judge Caldwell have we had a judge with that same background. As your prosecutor, I've handled 14,000 House criminal cases, including 35 jury trials, getting life sentences for murderers and tough sentences for rapists and armed robbers. As your judge, I will know from experience when defendants should be given treatment and when to send them away. As your judge, I will show the same compassion and courage that I have as a prosecutor. My experience as a prosecuting attorney is only half the story. I also work to build and create community resources for those who find themselves in trouble. When I first got to the district attorney's office, I wrote a large federal grant to expand our domestic violence unit. I'm part of the Taos County Adult Drug Court team, where I've helped guide addicts facing criminal convictions to become better citizens. I'm part of the MDT that coordinates child sexual assault cases. I'm a mentor at Nonviolence Works, formerly Taos Men. I teach criminal law at UNM Taos. I'm vice chair of the board of Tri-County Community Services, a mental health and drug treatment provider. A good judge is a manager of the court and finds resources. I worked 10 years as a manager of nonprofit organizations. Not since Judge Nelson have we had a judge who knows how to write a grant and build new programs. She brought us the drug court. We need specialty courts to address domestic violence and mental health issues here in Taos. As your judge, I can get that done. Ever since 1970, when I rode a train from Ohio to Raton as a young Boy Scout, northern New Mexico has been my adopted home. I worked 8 summers at Philmont Scout Ranch in Cimarron, graduated from St. John's College in Santa Fe, and went to law school at UNM in Albuquerque. 10 years after spending some time in California, 10 years ago, I returned to raise my son here in these mountains of Taos. Raul started school here as a second grader at the St. Francis Catholic School in Ranchos and is now a talented and involved junior at Taos High School. During my time here in Taos, I've earned the respect of my colleagues. As your judge, I will be a strong leader for our legal community. I ask you to put a smart, experienced, compassionate prosecutor on the bench. Compare my qualifications to my primary opponents, and when you do, I trust that you will pick me to be your Democratic candidate for Division III District Judge. Thank you very much.
Thank you.